Welcome back to Finney's Garage. It's Gray here, and we're back working on my 1999 Mitsubishi Montero. So I picked up this car from Tennessee from its original owner, and this dude did not take the best care of it. I mean, mechanically, he got it serviced all the time. Interior, exterior, I beg to differ. In one of my last videos, I've already taken out the carpet, and I've cleaned the entire running floor pans. However, there's one thing that I have not tackled yet, which I have been craving, and that is all the door panels and plastic trim. So all the door panels are pretty gross. They have like all of this grease and dirt on them. It's absolutely disgusting. I hate having to touch this, so I'm going to finally take care of it so it'll be all nice and clean. We also have the dash in here that's pretty dusty. I don't think it's ever been cleaned in its entire life. I mean, take a look at the steering wheel. This thing's dying over here. It's got those cracks that are going to break your mother's back, so we got to take care of this. I don't think I can fix the steering wheel, but we can make it look a little bit better. We're also going to tackle the interior trim over there. The seats, I'm not going to take them off. I'm just going to clean them up a little bit. And lastly, the back door panel. I'm going to clean this thing up so it'll look brand spanking new, or for the most part look pretty good. I already know a lot of people are going to disagree with the product that I use for cleaning this car, Industrial Purple Degreaser. I know it's meant for like machinery and like heavy duty stuff, but guys, this car has not been cleaned since 1999. So it's got grease on here that has been on here for over 20 years. It takes the grease right off the car like that yogurt that always slips off your spoon. Earlier, I took a lot of pictures of the interior of this car to show you guys what it looked like before, how dirty, gross, grimy, and disgusting the interior of this car is, so you can see the difference from before we started to after we finished. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this microfiber towel and I'm going to wipe it down, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when we're just doing the first door panel here. Right now it looks kind of gross because it has all these running grease, dirt and stuff, but once I wipe it down it should look really good. This back interior panel, it looks really good. It's nice and clean. Now we're going to look at the passenger side. Very clean as well. You guys saw how dirty this corner was right here. It has a little bit of paint on it right now because I was painting, but I'll clean that up with some acetone. The back door here looks really good. At the driver rear door panel, the leather came out really good looking, and same with the vinyl down here. Though there are some weird stains still here, but I'm not sure I'll be able to get those out. I think it's stains within the actual leather, or it might be burns. But it's not a huge deal, because eventually, whenever we redo the seats, I'm going to take all the door panels out and get them redone as well. So that way, all the leather and the vinyl will be matching with the whole interior. The back passenger, and then the dash itself came out really well. It does need to be dusted off, but we did just do a brief cleaning, and now it should be ready for the carpet to go into the car. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more on the restoration of my 99 Montero, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. But guys, until next time, I will see you later. Have an amazing day.